examsolutionprovider.com. We are dedicated tutors supporting adults achieve education and profession dreams. We focus on supporting students who are studying MBA, MSc, MPH, nursing, PhD, and health and social care management. For more information, go to our website www.examsolutionprovider.com or email us at FearyExamSolutionProvider@gmail.com.
Okay, so now generally, right, the graph, as you can see here, as the age is increasing, the height is increasing, and that's what we expect. So we expect if the child is growing, the height needs to increase. If the age of the child is increasing and this is not increasing, then it means the child is stunted. So therefore, there's a problem, and that's how we identify that the child has a problem. In fact, the first person who will come is the mom says, look, my child is not growing. Okay, he's 2 years now, but his height is only this. They know exactly 1 year child how much height you need to have. Okay, right. So you can see, all right, if I change the age, I expect to change the height. So the height of the child is dependent on the age, but the age can change without the standard changing. No, as I said, in a stunted growth, it will mean the age will be greater, but the height will be lower. So this one is independent because it can change on its own. This one is dependent, is depending on the age itself. Okay?
That's so the y-axis here is time. Is it? Is there a rule? Is there a rule that the x-axis being always time?
No, not always. No, because you're going to measure other things. Is you need to assess yourself. You need to understand what is a dependent variable here, what is independent variable. Okay. So what you are looking here is also called the relationship. Okay. So relationship between the age and the height of a child. All right. So again, we're going to do at one point we're going to be talking about this relationship in maths. In statistics, you're going to talk about correlation, regression, not yet. A long way to go. Yeah, but basically, when we are going to learn about the basic maths, we're going to talk about the inverse relationship and direct relationship. So this is a direct relationship. Okay, as the age is increasing, the height of the child increases. So this is a direct relationship. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So as it says, this graph shows a fairly steady increase in the height. We can see that between the years, so we're looking at year 2. Okay, also one thing, it shouldn't always start from 0. Okay, so that's what you notice here. This one is starting from 0, from 1 for the vertical axis, so this one. But this one here, you can see, is not starting from 0. It's starting from, this is 80, and this is 70, yeah? So it doesn't necessarily need to start from 0. No. Right. Okay. So what you can see, right? So from age 2, okay, up to age 18, the height has increased from 90 to 180. Right. So they can ask you, what's the percentage increase in the height here? How do you work it out now that you have done the percentages?
Yes. Well, you'd need for each new, well, you could start, where would you start? Would you start at 70?
No, look at the age. So they're asking you the age, the height,
fine.
The percentage in the increase in the height. What numbers? Everything is there.
Yeah, I think the first one would be the difference between age 4 and 2. So I would put...
It's over this period from 2 years to 18 years. They are asking you what has been the percentage increase in the height of this child from 2 years to 18 years.
Oh, all right. So 180 over 90. No, I'm sorry. 180 minus 90 divided by 90 times 100.
Yeah, that's the percentage increase in the height.
whole, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So if we're going to look at the, let's say for example, okay. So we can look at the year 10. We can look at the year 14. When you look at year 16, you can look at year 18. We should be able to tell, yeah, what's the heights are. So we can actually read off from. So for example, we know here, yeah. So all we need is take a line down, and then also look at this line here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it corresponds. So it corresponds the age with the height. All right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's move on.